How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. And today I had to talk about NIO because, like, it's crazy because I was getting a lot of backlash when I was calling a bottom reversal. And look where it went down. It's at $5.69. I made a video back in April 15th of the bottom reversal being around here at $3.80, and it just went up like over $2 from that. So very nice thing. Do I see some more return? I'm going to discuss all that. And before I get into this banned strategy of swing trading of over 95% win ratio to make you consistently profitable, do keep in mind there's a premium Discord you can join to access this system and how to be a profitable trader for only 20 cents a day. And you can join by clicking the link down below and to the YouTube comments and YouTube description. You're not gonna regret it, man. This is actually insane. So I got to make a video on NIO because I have a inverse that I want to talk about, and I'm going to show you guys. So when the price hits close to the bottom band, there tends to be buyers, and when price hits the upper band, there tends to be sellers. That's just based on my bands. They're customized on ATR levels, and I'm using daily candles. So when when the candles go all the way down to the lower band, it just, you're pulling a rubber band and it snaps, and then buyers come in. When it gets close to the upper band, sellers want to look for to short it because there's a lot of meat on the bone. So when I made a video back in April 15th or 16th, you can check my YouTube channel. I was calling for a bottom reversal on NIO, and I think we could have a nice little bounce, and it's done way more than I thought it would. So this thing has been going down for a long time, and I just want to discuss exactly why I found it just thought a bottom reversal, and I could use some of this back testing for you and show you guys. So when price has not touched, this one counts as a touch, this is close. So when price has to touch, there's the two middle bands. They will touch my yellow and my blue band. It's just a guarantee. It has to, it will, and price always does that. Now the question is, when does it do it, and then when do you enter? And that's why you have to have all three of these indicators of the KDJ, which is down here. I'm going to put an arrow. This is super important to look at this KDJ, this number right in here, because when it gets very low, price is like a stochastic. It's one of the best stochastics in my honest opinion. Get rid of the D and the J and just keep the K. The lower the number, the more the bounce is going to happen. And as you can see, this candle right here had a long wick, so that K was probably well under 10. And guess what happens? We hit the lower band. We haven't hit the EMA 10 in a while. And guess what we do? We hit this EMA 10 to a T right in here, making massive gains. And guess what? It has to hit the 20. And this is what we do right in here. So we have to hit those yellow and blue bands. We will, and we always have done. And just like when it gets close to the upper band, it sells off. Here was another great little thing. It gets kind of close, and then it pumps up. And I love these earning play winners, or close to earnings. It gets close to earnings, so it pumps it up, it hypes everyone up, and then it has earnings, and then it just goes down a little, and then it goes right back up, right? Same thing here. Hasn't touched the yellow band in some time, and anything that doesn't touch the yellow band is 1 month time frame is super long, so I look for like 2 to 3 weeks depending what I see. And then the blue band, anything that hasn't touched in 2 months is very, very long. Alrighty, so let's get to the current data. I showed you some back testing, and right in here is where the last time I made a video, because I was like, okay, we're getting close to the lower band. We haven't touched this yellow band in some time, and out of all the back testing I see, we get kind of close, and and you can start to make like an entry, right? Because look at this, these big massive down move, we get close, and then we shoot up. This was one of the best things, and the way to really make the most out of this is that one, let's say, I forget what I alerted, but let's say we got at 375 and we take some of our profits. I used to do 10% or whatever you want to do. I take that gains, and then I put a stop loss at the rest of my shares, right? So if I bought this at 377, I put a stop loss right at 378, and you try to write all of it up. But unfortunately, this right here takes it out, this candle right here, because it makes a new low, and it could be, a touch of this bottom band. But a lot of the cases, like I said, that I do trade, that stop loss, will make you write it up all the way, right? Like right in here. This is just a massive gains. And then now we're having a crisscross right in here of the two bands, and we're making an uptrend now. So this is very awesome. So now the inverse happens. Do you want to be buying NIO at this buy point right here? No. Because one, we're too close to the upper band. You can get to a price target of, it says 607 and the price is 569. Yes, there is room to go up, but the distance to that upper band is not enough and you could sell off. If I'm going to take the trade, I'm going to take the trade right here at the yellow band, because when an uptrend happens, this is where price will bounce. You want to see price come back to that yellow band. We don't know when it can happen. I suspect it's going to be very soon, because we left this yellow band right on this candle, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. We left it for a week and 2 days. We know it's going to touch it, and it's going to touch the blue band right in here. So we know that's going to happen. So if you are going to make an entry, you wait for that touch, and your stop loss would be right below the EMA 20 and try to ride an uptrend up. And that's how you would trade this kind of trade. This is one of the best systems if you do it. Obviously, I like to take the trade initially right in here where I made that video, and you start accumulating the shares, and then bam, you have a massive run up, right? I would not take the trade up in here. If I was going to trade the uptrend, like I said, I play it at the yellow band or the blue band, because it has to hit those two bands, and if it makes the bands curl back down, as you can see right in here, it's a downtrend. Our system is called trend reversals. As you can see, you get in early, and now the trend's going up. So very beautiful play. Obviously, I don't endorse buying it here. Like I said, where to get to those nice entries. We want to get it at the yellow and the blue. If you guys want to join one of the best discords in the nations for only 20 cents a day or $6 a month, whatever you want to look at it, you can make massive money with confidence. You know when to buy, you know when to sell, and you know what you're looking at, right? I even have my own swing trades. I have RTK swing trades, which stand for me. I have my own accumulation rules on how I like to accumulate. I have my entries, my exits. It's all transparent. There's nothing to hide. I know this system works. I've been doing it for over 6 years, so I don't mind being on the pedestal of, I have a trade out here, people might get emotional. I say, stick to the plan. Here's what I see in the system. We know price is going to hit the yellow and the blue band. We're buying it at good price points, and that's all there is to it, right? We know what to do, and like I said, there's no emotions. I do what the system tells me. I don't do what other people tell me, and that's how you can make massive money. We have education videos, how to get your indicators to look like mine, and we're going to have lots of other stuff. And we're also coming in with day trade alerts with my partner, Brainstorm. He's going to make, he's made massive calls of, if you want, like, in the hype, in the battlefield, making, over 50%, 20%. These are going to be massive trades right in here that you can get in and get in and fast, get in and out fast. So we have lots of stuff. It's not just swing trading. This is a whole education channel of, a lot of these alerts are over 80%. This swing trading strategy, I only lost one trade in the last 8 months, and it was a penny stock. So that makes it a little burdensome, but this is an over 95% win ratio strategy, and a lot of the members can prove it. That's been in there for that long, and it can adjust that this is a great strategy, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this system. If you do want to join, go down below into the YouTube comments, click the link that says join the premium Discord for my favorite trades, and when you click that, it takes you to the free chat landing page. All you have to do is hit premium chat on the subscriptions, it'll opt you to subscribe, and it's only 20 cents a day. You won't regret it, and it is slightly cheaper if you do it on computer, because you avoid the iOS fee on your phone. So do keep that in mind. If you have a computer available, subscribe on it, and you won't regret it. Like I said, guys, you want to put the money, the time, and the effort into it. If you're really serious about trading, I want you into the channel. If you're not serious and you just want free handouts, and you don't want to pay the cost and learn, and even buy books to learn and all that stuff, this probably isn't for you. But you can make massive money if you put the time into it and you want to learn. There's no free handouts in life. Everything is given with effort. I'm willing to give you what I've done, I've lost tons of money, guys. I've lost so much money. I would see NIO, I'd be like, wow, this stock has been all the way up in $66. I'm going to buy every dip back in $30. And then it goes to 17 and then 11 and now it's $3. But I didn't see what I see now on this system. I see why on a weekly candle it's very significant that if it goes close to the upper band, you should not be buying any of these shares and you should be buying close to the lower band. I didn't know this back at the time, and so I lost tons of money. And I don't want people to get stuck in this trap. And if you're looking at this video, you're looking for reversals and trend reversals on the bottom and the upside. So I really hope this helps, and I know this system will really help you guys. So I hope to see you in the Discord. Give this video a like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me what you think. Any type of engagement will help spread this video to other users on YouTube. And like I said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really want the best for you guys. And I hope to see you in the Discord. And let's all be rich together. Peace out.